Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to live stream on Facebook using OBS Studio. There's different ways to be live stream, but I'm going to live stream my MacBook, my computer screen on Facebook. And in my last video, we learned step by step how you can live stream on Facebook using OBS Studio and how you can live stream your display. In this video, we will be focusing on only Facebook. So we are going to live stream our computer display on Facebook page. Let's start. First, we are going to open Facebook page where we are going to live stream. As you can see, I am on my personal profile. I also have a Facebook page, but I'm going to live on my personal profile. You can live stream same way on your Facebook page. So if you are on your personal profile and you will look here under your clip arts, first option we have a create post, photo and video, and live video. For live streaming, we are going to click on live video. Once you click on live video, it will take a couple seconds. It will take you to the next window. At this window, you can see there's a little screen. It's black right now because we are not started yet. And here says go live, it's not highlighted. So first we have to work on center screen here, get started. So we have to choose how you want to be live stream. You want to use streaming key, use your camera, paired encoder. If you use your camera, then you are going to live stream yourself or any video going to capture with your computer or PC or MacBook camera. I'm on my MacBook. I'm going to use OBS Studio streaming software. So I'm going to choose streaming key. As soon as you click at the bottom, you will see live stream URL and streaming key. So we done over here right now, and we are now going to set up some things on left hand side here. First option is go live now. You want to go live right now. You want to schedule upcoming live video or event, whatever. You can choose either one of them. I'm going to go live right now. Then personal profile or page, logo, name where you are going to live stream, then share to your timeline where you are going to live. You are going to timeline, share to your page where you want to share. I will leave share to your timeline. And next option is public. If you click how you want to show your video, you want to be public, friends only, friends, accept, whatever the option you will choose, specific friends. I will choose only me in this case, but you want to choose public. I choose only me because this video is only for test purpose and I don't want to be live for public. The next option is title. You want to live stream for specific title, but I'm going to live for test video only. I have my title is test video, and you can have some kind of description. That's all you have to do. We done here, but now you need to copy your live stream key here. You simply click on copy. You copied. Now we are going to open OBS Studio. I have already opened here. I have a setup on display capture. If you have any issue with OBS Studio, you want to know how you can download a free OBS Studio, or you want to set up, I will leave a link in description so you can work with those videos. But I have a ready to go. But we have to enter streaming key on this one. We have to link OBS Studio with Facebook for this one. At this menu, we are going to click on setting. Inside the setting, we are going to choose second option, live stream. I have a live stream key already, but we are going to delete this one. And here service, first option, you need to choose the software you are going to use, the website you are going to live stream. I'm going to live on Facebook. If you're on YouTube, you can choose YouTube, Facebook Live. Server is default. There's no other option, so I will leave a default streaming key. I will paste, or you can either way, you can right click and paste your streaming key. We have a copy from Facebook profile. Now we will click OK. Now we still not live streaming on Facebook. For live stream, we have to click start streaming. I click start streaming. Now we open our Facebook and it's a connecting live video. You will see all the options over here is showing my screen here. I will minimize so we can see our live performance. It's probably a little bit of delay, like a couple seconds, and you can have everything here. Now we already connected with the Facebook, but we are not live yet. Now we have to go here on our Facebook page. Over here say go live. So you need to make sure all the connections, everything perfect. As soon as you set up everything, you're happy to go live, just simply click on go live. Now we are getting set up for go live. It will take a couple seconds according to your internet speed. So now as you can see, it says end live video. So basically now we are live streaming. In my case, I don't have any video or anything to be go live, but I will leave it like that. So you can have this live video go for hours, 30 minutes, up to you. But I will end this live video because our test purpose we done. Over here you can see it show you how long you're live. You can also check here. You want to read any comment, you want to put a comment, whatever. There's everything what you need to know, you will access in this window. So now we are going to click on end live video, end. So we are done. At this page, once you end, you have a couple more options. You can also rate quality of the broadcasting. You can also view your post. You can also trim your video. If you think when you live video you want to trim, you want to show some portion or something, you can trim your video. You can also create a clip from video, or you can delete video and return to newsfeed. So basically my video was for test purpose. I will give a star here and I will delete this video. I don't need to be added or anything. We already end. You can also go back to OBS studio and stop streaming here. Now we have learned so far how you can live stream on your Facebook page or Facebook profile using OBS studio. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new topic.